smiling warmly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst. Well, maybe not literally, considering sleep is all about getting horizontal into the wonderful world of sleep. It's something we all crave, but maybe don't always prioritize. We'll be exploring why sleep is absolutely essential for our health and well-being, and then we'll equip you with some practical tips and tricks to achieve that elusive good night's rest. So, grab your favorite PJs or comfy clothes, dim the lights, and let's get started on this journey to dreamland. Why we need sleep, more than just catching zizzes. Music fades slightly. We all know the feeling, that blissful moment when you finally crawl into bed after a long day. But sleep is so much more than just escaping to a world of fluffy clouds and sheep counting. Although hey, if that works for you, no judgment. Sleep is actually a biological necessity, a time when our bodies and minds go into a state of repair and rejuvenation. Let's take a peek inside our amazing brains. While we sleep, they're buzzing with activity, but in a good way. They're busy consolidating memories, like that new recipe you learned, or that historical fact you just can't seem to forget. They're also flushing out toxins that can build up throughout the day, kind of like giving your brain a good spring cleaning. And on top of that, they're strengthening neural connections, which are the highways of information that allow us to learn, problem solve, and function at our best. Sleep isn't just about brain power, it's crucial for physical health too. Think of your muscles as tiny little construction workers. They're constantly working hard throughout the day. During sleep, they get a much-needed break to repair and rebuild, so you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle anything. It's also prime time for your immune system to step up its game. While you're catching those z's, your body is busy producing white blood cells and antibodies, your frontline defense against illness. Now imagine not getting enough sleep. It's like putting your body and mind under constant stress. We become more susceptible to stress, anxiety, and even depression. Our energy levels plummet, making it hard to focus at work or school. And let's be honest, it's tough to be the best version of ourselves when we're constantly dragging. The science behind sleep. Understanding your sleep cycles. Music fades slightly. Knowing a little bit about how sleep works can be a game changer when it comes to getting a good night's rest. Throughout the night, we cycle through 4 distinct stages of sleep. NREM, 1, non-rapid eye movement 1. This is the lightest stage of sleep. Imagine yourself starting to drift off. Your brain activity slows down, but you're easily awakened by a sound or a nudge. This is kind of like dipping your toes into the sleep pool. NREM 2. As you settle in deeper, you enter NREM 2. Brain waves slow even further, and your muscle activity decreases. This is where your body temperature starts to drop, and you're definitely on your way to dreamland. NREM 3. Deep sleep. This is the holy grail of sleep, where your body truly repairs and restores itself. Your heart rate slows down, and brain activity becomes very slow. This is where those muscle repairs really kick in, and your immune system gets to work its magic. REM, rapid eye movement. This is the stage of sleep associated with dreaming. Brain activity actually picks up here, even though your body is paralyzed. Don't worry, it's a safety feature to prevent you from acting out your dreams. This is where all those wacky and wonderful dreams happen. We cycle through these stages multiple times in a night, with each complete cycle lasting about 90 minutes. The ideal amount of sleep varies by age, but most adults need around 7 to 8 hours per night to experience all the benefits of each stage.